Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more very nice mocktail. Mocktail name is Apple Sunrise. How to make that Apple Sunrise mocktail? First of all, take a shaker glass. Then you have to add lots of ice cube into the shaker glass. After that, you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice into the shaker glass. This is very fancy mocktail. Actually, you can try. Just squeeze on fresh lime. Then you have to pour 5 ml of lime syrup. After that, you have to pour like 180 ml of apple juice. Okay. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well and take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. Then simply you have to add granulated syrup from the top of the mocktail. See yours. You can garnish with apple or serve it on. See, your mocktail is ready. This is the apple sunrise mocktail. You can try. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you.